Dwarka is the gateway to moksha, the liberation of the soul. Come to the city of Krishna. Imbibe the meaning of love and devotion. Listen from the heart and you will hear the Lord playing the flute. Gaze at the sunset here and you will feel your soul immersed in His. The whole place is a gigantic Ras Leela, the traditional dance of Lord Krishna and his gopis. Beneath this one sits another Dwarka, the ancient Dwarka, now submerged under the sea. A window into our glorious past. Breathe in the love and devotion of Lord Krishna. Breathe in a bit of Gujarat. Come.